What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Margaritaville. Woo! More specifically, Island H2O Live, their water park, and we're going to be checking everything out and making sure all the progress is going well. Let's take a look. Well, I hope you guys like progress because there's been a bunch of it, and the first thing we can see right here is the wave house starting to go up. Looks really good, all the cinder blocks there. The actual wave pool, well, the forms for the concrete are still up, so they still have some work left to do. It looks like they're going to be installing lights. We see some footings there. And then also the water slides back there. Well, they've been done for a while, but that is all new. And we're going to go to look at that a little bit closer a little bit later, but we're also going to check out this stuff first. Here's a better look at the drop capsules. Better look at one of the bowl elements. Not quite sure what this building is going to be for. Maybe a restroom or something like that. I don't know, but it's gone up recently. A little closer look at some of the rebar and forms for the wave pool. Still a little bit of concrete left to do. Moving on now, we're getting a look at some of the new slide pieces that have been added to that complex since our last update. They were putting up just a steel structure, and now we have the fiberglass on there. We're now getting our first look at the completed portion of the wall climb for one of the slides. It looks pretty good. Yet another new building is starting to go up, and we can see that here. Still just a little bit of plumbing left to do on these drop slides, as the hoses and lines have not been attached yet. One interesting thing I wanted to point out with this slide is that it's completely translucent, as you should be able to see a good portion of your ride as you're heading down. Looks like all the railings and fence line for the stairway are all done. Just need the very top of the platform, the covering, to be put on. Nerd shot for all you footings lovers. Since our last update, the bottom of the stairways have been placed on these slide complex towers. Yeah, this slide is just a little bit twisted. Here's a look at the back of the wall climb feature, and we can also see the launch portion for the water slide coaster. Here we can see stairs installed at one of the valley points for the water slide coaster. Here's a real close look at one of the attachment points for the support structure and the fiberglass. Something we can see here with the wall climb section is that spray nozzles have already been installed. Watch out for that drop off. Alrighty guys, so we have moved our way over to the storage lot, and there's a couple exciting things that we need to point out over here. And the first thing that I see, well, we have the Margaritaville Resort sign right there. We'll get a better look in just a second. But then just over here we have all sorts of equipment and slide pieces waiting to head over. So still a lot left to put up in the air. Slide segments here in the storage lot already put together, just waiting to go over onto the main site. Speaking of that giant Margaritaville sign, well, the support structure is going up right now, and very soon we'll have that big sign at the top. So the last time we showed you the sign, there was a banner at the very top. Now we have LED screens on both sides. Well guys, that is going to do it for our video here from the Margaritaville Resort Orlando, more specifically Island H2O Live, and it's good to see all sorts of new progress with the water slides. Again, there's still quite a few pieces left to put up and a lot of work to do, and we will have many more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.